2025 KTM XC-W 300 Hard Enduro. Zero miles. Let's start it up. A few changes that I've noticed is that you have a map switch here. It also has the, I believe it's a TBI injection, and the suspension is supposed to be amazing. The only thing I'm going to do to the bike is add moose bibs. What that is, that replaces the tubes inside the tires so you never get a flat. And then these bikes still do not come with spark arresters, so I ordered a spark arrestor. You drill out these rivets and you self-tap in a spark arrestor end cap. Pretty wicked bike. My first ride is going to be a race on this bike. We'll see how it goes.